Kung meron mang ako gusto na hilingin bago matapos yung araw na to, gusto kong matupad yung matagal na nating wish na yung maging magandang testimony. Alam ko naman na sa umpisa pa lang yun na talaga yung wish natin para sa isa't isa. Yung love natin kay God. Yung before ourselves. And yung masaya ako na tatlo tayo doon sa relasyon natin. And I want you to know na I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. I will make sure na hindi ako magbabago kahit na alam ko na araw-araw, walang araw na hindi ka nagalit sa akin, na hindi ka nabuwisit sa akin.
Binuking.
Gagawin ko pa rin. Kasi kilala mo ako sa ganun eh. So yun, happy birthday. Birthday po niya ngayon.
Happy
And
birthday.
also, sana patuloy pa tayong ma-in love kay Lord. I love you so much.
Take Doris to be a lawful wedded wife, to live together after God's words in the holy state of matrimony. Do you promise to perform all the privileges and responsibility of a husband?
I do.
I do. When the two of you get closer to Jesus, the possibility of uniting and becoming one.
It's always been a mystery to me how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. But now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come.
So ito yung pinaka-big testimony ng Panginoon sa akin. At kaya siya, taon na birthday ko, kasi sabi ko kay Lord na ikaw ang gagalaw sa lahat ng tao na makaka-witness ng aming pagsasama. Kayo ang magbe-bless sa kanila. Kasi hindi lang naman sa amin itong sa amin dalawa ni Tracy.
When He created you, I wonder if He knew everything I would need.
Doris, do you, Doris, take Tracy to be your lawful wedded husband, to live together after God's words in the holy state of matrimony?
I do. Miss Pastora.
I promise that wherever you may go, wherever life may lead you, with all my heart I'll be there too. And from this moment on, I want you to know I let nothing come between us, and I will love the ones you love. Now gonna roll my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything.
Sabi ko sa Panginoon na itong lalaking kaharap ko at nandito yung maganda kong testimony sa harap nila, panghabang buhay ko pong mamahalin. Kahit natama siya, araw-araw. Walang araw pa lang na hindi niya ako binisit. Yun yung pagmamahal niya siguro.
Wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made
Happy
all
birthday, I love you.
come true. When
ang center pa rin natin sa relasyon ay ang ating Panginoon. At maglilingkod pala ako sa'yo and everything, sabi nga, diba? So, habang buhay, till the end, mahal na mahal kita.
I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. He must have heard every prayer I've been praying. Yes, He knew everything I would need. When God made you, yes, He did. When dreams come true, when God made you, He must have been thinking